In this lesson, let's understand impacts of automation. So, automation impacts on jobs and workforces. There is a study done by McKinsey and which is used in many publications. The reality of jobs lost to automation at a glance. So, there are 85 million jobs to be displaced due to automation by 2025, and 39 million Americans who could lose their jobs due to automation by 2030. So in America itself, this could impact there that much. And another interesting fact here is 2,000 work activities across 800 professions that could be automated. And we will see some of these professions. What do we mean by these professions? And 81% of work tasks that could be automated by existing automation tech. We're not talking about somewhere future technology. These are the technologies which are currently available. 50% hours spent on work-related tasks that could be automated by 2030. 43% employers set on cutting down their workforce to make way for technology integration. So, saying that, now let's look at this automation potential by sector. This is again from McKinsey. So in accommodation and food service industry, 73% can be automated. Manufacturing, 60%. Agriculture, 57%. Well, I'm not going to read through each of them, but you get an idea that if there is certain kind of activities which can be repeated and it needs less creativity from human beings, that kind of task can be automated. So wherever that is required, it can be in the food services or transportation, we know with vehicles, electric vehicles, autonomous vehicles, and warehouses. So there are a lot of activities can be automated, and this is by industry. Now let's look at another interesting study from Bloomberg. uh, Computerizable jobs. There are we saw professions, right? Here, what jobs can be automated? Loan officers, 98% is of probability that all the activities by a loan officer can be automated. Receptionist and information clerks. So when we go to a building, we ask receptionist pretty much common questions like where do I go, whom do I get to, I need a visitor badge, and so on. So can that be a robot assisting this? It is possible. And paralegals, legal assistants, retail salespersons, taxi drivers, chauffeurs, security guards, all these professions can be automated with the technologies what we have today, which we will see in the following lessons. Then what jobs cannot be completely or are automated in many aspects? Again, this is from Bloomberg. If you have certain kind of a manipulation where like a makeup artist or chiropractors, because they are the human intelligence or creativity come into picture where you need to act according to the situation. Creativity like art directors, choreographers, social perception like mental health workers, nurses. So these are some of the jobs which cannot be completely automated, or there is a less percentage which can be automated out of these creative work types. And the final study which I want to show you here is this is published in the World Economic Forum that by 2025, new jobs will emerge and others will be displaced by a shift in the division of labor between humans and machines. So, what jobs are growing? What jobs are decreasing? 97 million jobs are increasing, which are data analyst and scientist, AI and machine learning specialist, big data specialist, digital marketing, process automation specialist. That's one of the main topic of this course here. And business development professionals, digital transformation, information security, software developers, and Internet of Things specialists. So you see all these jobs related to the technology to make best out of the data and automate and build products. And what jobs are decreasing? You can get a familiar pattern here. Data entry clerks, administrative and executive secretaries, accounting, bookkeeping, and assembling factory workers, business services, administration managers, clients, general operation managers, mechanics, machinery repairs. So these jobs are decreasing because they can be, if not completely, most of the activities can be automated. So now let us look at the final slide of this video, which is what kind of automation we're talking about. There are two type of bots. I like to generalize it. Yes, I'm taking a little liberty here to categorize them, all automation into two types here. Physical world bots, where certain kind of objects and presence will be there in the physical world. So you can see and talk or interact or the impact of these robots or bots are moving things. Digital world, you don't really see the outcome of it in the physical world. It is all in the software inside the computer. Um, and what is common between these two worlds are software. Because even if it is a physical robot, what is controlling the software inside that physical robot is with the software is controlling physical robot. So in the next following sections, videos, we will learn more about physical world bots and then get a deeper dive into digital world bots.